Good morning, guys. Finally we've got it all, the DDD Fanatec Pro all done, set up, and it's all been updated with the firmware. And I've got the pedals here as well, the Fanatec Trios, the clutch, the brake and the throttle all set up. And I bought a McLaren GT3 wheel as well with it for the Xbox, because you can only play with Xbox and PC with that steering wheel. And this wheel here comes with the DD Pro, is the PlayStation wheel, which you can play PlayStation and PC only. The letdown of this DD Pro is actually this wheel. Didn't like it at all. It's very small, and I think they could have done a lot better. Just enlarging it a little bit, the rim. But it's quite expensive for what it is, really. If you've haven't got the money and you get this wheel, it is a bit of a disappointment, really. It lets it down. This wheel lets it down. Anyway, we've got Real Brother 32. This channel here, I'm always with this guy. He's an awesome guy. He's got a lovely community, guys. He does all sorts of games, Fortnite, Call of Duty, does all basketball, all that. You can literally go on his channel and join in game. His community are awesome. And his channel is Brother32. Just tell him ASB sent you, and he'll welcome you into this community. He's an awesome guy. I've got my stuff on here. I've got the GoPro 10. I keep getting tongue tied to that one. Got my joysticks and stuff like that. And that's me when I was into racing bikes when I was a bit younger. Actually sold it. My daughter was born and I sold it. I've got my Xbox on a shelf, floating shelf. My PlayStation on a floating shelf. I've got my router, my gaming router, this is awesome for FPS gaming, because you can control your internet traffic, so people in the house with a QoS don't interfere when you're gaming. That's my PC. I stream on this PC when I'm using the console. When I'm FPS gaming, I use this monitor. And this is my streaming PC when I'm on PC. And this is my Razer Nostromo handpad. This is an awesome, if you're FPS gaming, I use this. And I hardly ever use the keyboard, big chunky keyboard. I think these big chunky keyboards are finished now. You need to get yourself a nice little tiny keyboard now, and get yourself this Razer Nostromo. Just lovely, lovely, lovely. And these are my mouses, Razer and the bloody mouse it's called. Right, there you go, guys. All done, ready to go, and me little webcam down there. Right. Oh, I can't forget my old PlayStation 3 up there. Oh, these I used to use these. These are a little project I've got. I build these up. I used to use them for streaming, but they're a bit out of date. All you need to do is get yourself a new small mini motherboard, slap it in. You can use them for streaming. Anyway, right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave a like or a subscribe, even better, to help me with this channel get better. Anyway, over and out, and I hopefully see you tonight when I'm streaming. Thank you so much, guys.